In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export passwords from Google Chrome. This is a very useful skill to have under your belt, especially when you're trying to migrate to a different browser, or if you simply want to have a backup of all your saved passwords. Now, let's dive right in and get started with step-by-step instructions. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the More menu, and it holds a variety of settings and options for Chrome. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings. You'll find that this is where many of your browser's preferences are tucked away. Once inside the Settings menu, take a look at the options on the left-hand side. You'll notice a section labeled Autofill and Passwords. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the area where all of your saved passwords are managed. Now, you're going to select Google Password Manager. This is essentially the place where Chrome securely stores all your login credentials. It's a handy feature that keeps your passwords organized and makes them accessible whenever you need them. Once you've entered the Password Manager, you'll see an option on the left sidebar labeled Settings. Click on it. While in Settings, we're specifically looking for an option that says Export Passwords. This is the key tool you need to move all your passwords out of Chrome. Once you spot it, there should be a download button right there beside it. Click that button. After clicking the download button, you'll need to confirm that you want to export your passwords. As an additional security measure, Google will prompt you to enter your computer password or use biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint or Face ID. This step ensures that you are the rightful owner of the passwords being exported. The last step involves choosing where you want to save this information. You'll be saving it as a .csv file, which is a common file format that's both simple and easy to work with. It's also easily readable by various applications, making it convenient if you plan to import these passwords elsewhere. Decide on a location on your computer, such as a specific folder where you store important information, to ensure it is safe and easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your passwords from Google Chrome. Whether you're switching to a new browser or simply creating a backup, these easy-to-follow steps will ensure you have all your credentials right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.